Alright. Testing sound of audio. What's your name?
Brayden.
Testing sound of audio frontwards. Testing sound of audio close up. Say something. Say something. I'm recording to test the audio.
Hi.
Come on, look at me. Look at it and talk.
Hi.
Okay, so it's not the best audio recording, but I think I can fix it or do something instead of it. Outside quality recording. There's some crows over there. Testing audio outside. Alright, so it looks like the recording is better outside in natural light than it is inside with incandescent light, but I'm just gonna have to deal with it because you can't bring the sunlight in the house unless you have glare on the screen. So, alright, playback.